What experiment are you doing? Can you...
I'm doing a volcano experiment.
Mixing what and what?
Baking soda and vinegar.
Okay. Where's your sparkle?
Here it is.
Okay.
Lots of glitter.
Okay. Did you put in enough sparkle?
Maybe a little more. There.
Okay.
Now what do I add next?
Then you're gonna add food coloring.
Food coloring? Oh, we're gonna add 2 drops.
Mm-hmm.
No, 3. One, 4.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna add the vinegar.
You gotta sit back, okay? Because you don't know what will happen.
I think it's just gonna be like...
Just dump it in real fast.
God.
Ooh.
That was a fizz.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
You know why it did what it did? You know what
Because
happened?
it exploded. Well, not explode.
Mhm.
It fizzed up because...
But why does that happen?
Because the vinegar, or no, baking soda is a base,
Mhm.
and vinegar is an acid, and they don't like each other, so they like fight.
Okay.
Hello, Mommy. I have 1 organic egg here, and this we're gonna put it in tap water
First?
first.
Okay.
And then another egg.
You're gonna use
organic
that same egg
too.
and put it in here. Okay.
Okay.
See if it's gonna float or sink. Oops,
It's
right to the
sank.
bottom.
It sank. So hopefully the water doesn't spill. Now with salt water next. Oh,
Ooh, it's floating to the
it's
top.
floating
Why is that? Why do you think it floats?
because the salt makes it.
Makes the water heavier, right? It's more dense. Tap water is less dense compared to the egg, right?
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, and so when you add salt to the tap water, that makes the water more dense. And so the egg is less dense and it floats to the top, correct?
Yes.
Isn't that pretty cool?
Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Okay, you can take the egg out. Want to put back in the other tap water? just to see. Oh, sank to the bottom. Want to try it again?
And here again. Oh my.
It's gonna come up. See that? Okay.